Hello guys, welcome back to your English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro, and today is Wednesday, March 17th, 2021. Also, today is St. Patrick's Day. That we're going to see a little more about it tomorrow. Okay, so why don't we start? If you remember, yesterday we saw the adverbs of sorry the adverbs of frequency. You have the never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, and always. Each of those means the frequency that we do something. For example, the never means 0 times. No, that's not something that I do. Rarely means that you do it like once, 2 times a month. One, not 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 very often. Sometimes means okay, I do it once a week or something like that. Often it means that is more times that usual, that sometimes that you do it more often. Usually it's even more often that you do something, and always is something that you are always doing. For example, that you do every day. We have some examples. There are the examples from yesterday. We have I never eat broccoli. 0 times. I don't eat broccoli. I never eat broccoli. Hillary is rarely late. She's rarely late. So it's not too common to see her late. My family sometimes go to the beach. We go sometimes means that you go 2 times a month, one time a week, something like that. But you go. Third grade often speak English. Most of the time, the third grade is speaking English. Esther usually plays Roblox. That means that she's playing Roblox usually. Not all the days, but very frequently. And lastly, we have Gabriel always plays Fortnite. This means that every day he plays Fortnite, or that's what he says. I don't know. So this is just to remind you about the adverbs of frequency and the meaning or the percent that they mean. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow to practice more about this. Have a good day.